Good morning. It is, what's today? Wednesday, Thanksgiving Eve. And I'm whispering because it's early in the morning. And I'm the type of person, like, I don't like loud noises and loud voices early in the morning. I just cannot stand it. Let me first show y'all the vase that I told you guys that I was spray painting. Let me show y'all how it turned out. It looks really cute. If you guys follow me on Instagram at I am Sharika B, you saw it last night, but let me show you. So this is how it looks, and I just used the same stems that I had in my other vase until I get some new ones, but this is how it looks. It looks really good, right? I like it a lot. So yeah, that's it. So right now I'm getting ready to make a list of everything that I need from the grocery store for Thanksgiving. All right, so I'm gonna make the list on my phone. And I have like a really full morning. I have to take my son to get a haircut at 10 o'clock, and then I have a nail appointment at 11. I wanted to go get a pedicure today, but that can wait. I'll make that appointment like later on this afternoon. Okay. Why am I still whispering? I just hate loudness in the morning. Y'all like that? In the morning, I don't like a lot of loud noise. It takes me a while to get, I'll say probably by 8 o'clock. You can turn on the TV, you can play music, whatever you need to do, but all right. So I know I'm doing macaroni and cheese. I think I already got the elbow noodles, I think. So let me do cheese or a mac. So I know I have to get a bunch. I need cream cheese. I'm doing greens. So I need smoked turkey parts. I need cranberry sauce because I forget it every year. I'm doing squash casserole, so I need some squash. If y'all haven't tried squash casserole, what are you doing? You got to have that squash casserole. So you need squash, onions. I need bell peppers. I don't put bell peppers in it. I'm just thinking of the vegetables that I need to cook with. Bell peppers, squash. Let me do zucchini too, because I like to put zucchini in my squash casserole. I'm gonna do some mushrooms in the squash casserole this time. I need cream of mushroom, cornbread for my dressing. I need, do I have rice? I'll just get a small box of rice. Chicken broth. What else? Macaroni and cheese, rice, dressing. I'll get some potatoes. I'll do some potato salad. So I need a relish. We got mustard. What else? Macaroni and cheese, greens, rice, squash casserole. Should I do field peas? I like field peas and string beans. What, field peas and what is those green beans? You know, it's mixed. It come mixed in the bag. I love that. So I might do that instead of the greens. I just field peas. What else, y'all? I feel like I'm forgetting something. I got my nails done. Same color. And I made it back from the grocery store. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I picked up. celery, collard greens, zucchini, squash, cranberry sauce, olives, parsley, cream of chicken and mushroom, evaporated milk, cream of celery, baby bella mushrooms, Frank's buffalo sauce, Land O'Lakes butter, cream cheese, sweet potatoes, chicken broth, whipped cream, field peas with snaps, Hawaiian rolls, classic stuffing, pecan chips, brown sugar, marshmallows, cornbread mix, elbow noodles, comeback curl activator. This is what I use on my curly hair, crab meat, multivitamins, Vita Craves for my son, deodorant, potatoes, Florida seasoning, Duke's mayonnaise, smoked turkey parts, almond milk, bell pepper and onion, vanilla extract, ground cloves, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, broccoli, cheese, and then I have some lobster and shrimp. Okay, so I'm doing greens, seafood dressing, macaroni and cheese, field peas with snap, rice, squash casserole, deviled eggs, potato salad. I'm making a sweet potato casserole for the very first time. I love Copeland sweet potato casserole, so I'm gonna make that. And then with the cornbread, I use, or with the dressing, I use cornbread mix, putting some seafood in it. I'm gonna use the crab meat. I know this lighting is terrible, so I'll probably do the potato salad tonight, the greens tonight, and probably the peas tonight, and then that's it. Everything else I'll do in the morning. But y'all will never guess what came in the mail today. My candles, they returned them. I done called them all kind of names and thieves and liars. Talked about their mama and everything, but it's here. This is so pretty. It smells like chocolate so far. So this one says, "We Not Lincoln." This one says, "Grown Folks Business," "Hey Big Head," and "Skinny Dipped." So pretty. Then it says, "In your kitchen, in your bedroom, or in your bathroom, you decide." Oh, this is so cute. I'm so happy. This is what I have going right now. If you know the process, you know. Okay? I don't have to explain. Okay, y'all, so this is how my kitchen is looking today. I've been getting questions on Instagram like, are you able to still keep your kitchen clean while cooking for Thanksgiving? And the answer is yes, because what I do is I have all of my seasonings and stuff over here for the things that I'm cooking like at this moment. Like I'm getting ready to do some potato salad. I have my greens cooking, and then I'm doing a small pot of beans. Those beans, here's the beans right here. I'm making a small pot of beans. This is something that's really just for me. I'm really the only one that eat them on Thanksgiving. Like if I'm cooking it like on a Sunday dinner or something like that, yeah, they'll eat them. But on Thanksgiving, they really don't, you know, mess with these beans too much because they have so many other options. So I just make a little small pot for me, but I make enough just in case they do want them. But 9 times out of 10, they're not gonna mess with them. And like the potato salad, I do that for my husband. I don't really eat potato salad and the deviled eggs. That's just something that, you know, that's something I make for my husband because, like I said, I'm not a big fan. But I try to make sure that everything is nice and clean just because it's better that way, because you can kind of relax. Having a messy kitchen and trying to cook can get very frustrating. Trust me, I know. So I try to always just keep my kitchen as clean as possible, clean as I go. That's just the way that I do it. Right now I'm getting ready to chop up my zucchini and squash. because I like to add zucchini and squash to my squash casserole. So you just add zucchini, squash, onion, breadcrumbs, cream cheese, regular cheese. I'm gonna add mushrooms this year, and then of course your seasonings. It's so good. Like, we've been doing this for years. We usually just do it during the holiday time, but sometimes I'll make it like on a Sunday or something like that. It's so good, y'all. If y'all like squash, even if you don't like squash, try it. It's so good. So like I said, if you keep your kitchen clean, if you kind of clean as you go, you can relax. You can try new seasonings if you want to. You know what I'm saying? It's just like you could just take your time and just go with the flow, you know? So yeah. Yeah, I just realized that I forgot to get okra. And I'm so sad about it because I love putting a little bit of okra in my beans. And I forgot okra.
Pretty much done.
Yeah, Tony getting his ribs together. What you doing, honey? Tell him.
I'm just trimming the fat. I've already trimmed the membrane off the back of it. That's pretty much clean. I'm probably gonna cut it along here, but I just like to get all the membrane, the skin off, and as much fat as I can. Try to do my best with that. But then after I do this, I'm gonna season it up and then throw it on the grill. We'll let it sit for a minute with the seasoning, then I'm gonna throw it on the grill.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what your boy is doing.
Okay, y'all, so the greens are done. The field peas are done. The dressing is done. Macaroni and cheese, squash casserole, the deviled eggs. This is potato salad, and I'm getting ready to put the stuffed salmon in the oven and the lobster tails. Tony's ribs are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here so I can go ahead and enjoy my Thanksgiving. I am so thankful for everybody here on my YouTube channel that support me. So thank you so much. I hope all of you guys have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. I love y'all, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.